October 24th, 2020. After the previous tenant moved out, I cleaned the house. This was the video walkthrough. I'll take some photos later too. Spent a few days cleaning this house. It is in really bad shape after the tenant moved out. I don't think they cleaned the place once in the whole year and a half almost that they were at this place, so it's a lot of work. Stove cleaned. Cleaned the stove. I cleaned everything actually in the whole house, even the baseboards. Cleaned the fridge, washed out all inside there. It was all dirty. Clean. Garage and that. In the front, this looks a lot better. This was a disaster before. I even washed the front of the house here because it's all green. Kind of, if you see on the left side, that's how this all looked. It was really bad here. So I washed this whole thing off, cleaned all this, vacuumed it, swept it out, put a lockbox on the door. This is what it looked like before. Need to pressure wash that or something. But I washed this because it's the front of the house. It's important. I even washed the door. Let's see. Some garbage. Pick up. I moved all these weeds out from the side of the house, and this fence was covered in weeds. Now you can see the fence. I think it looks better. This was just completely filthy. I actually had to scrape this off before I could even sweep it. It still looks like it needs to pressure wash it. But yeah, this has had like leaves and dirt all caked in. See, most of it's over there now. All that scuzz. This had branches and trees everywhere. I gathered them all up. There's so many I had to make 2 or 3 different piles. Yeah, there's a big pile there I made. Big pile here. Removed the weeds around here from around the AC, so it's all cleared out there. Moved all the weeds from around the house. Here's the third. It's actually 3 piles and then the big tree. See this tree? This you can't really use, but it's pretty sturdy, so I don't have to take it down. But somebody could put some stuff out in there. You know, it's actually very sturdy. So the whole house the yard is fenced. There's a gate. There's the roof now.